अस्सलाम वालेकुम उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे मैं ठीक ठाक अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह I hope you all doing well. If you are new here then my name is Amal and in today's vlog we are going to change the city. We are going to another city and exactly we are going to the beach. So you will see how the Algerian beach is looking and I am so excited. So let's go. We reached to Ain Temouchent. We are inside Ain Temouchent in downtown. Then we are going to the beach called Sassel. Finally reached, and it seems very full. And here we go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! There is a lot of people here. Sassel. Oh. Came here, it's called Sassel and it's in Ain Temouchent. We took a very long way to reach, but it's worth it and see how beautiful it is. It's 5 and today there is no wind. And look, I, I am wearing the swimming suit, Islamic one. So I'm going to swim. I am excited. And I reached. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like it's the first time for me to see the beach. Has been a long time I didn't swim. We'll put this one here and we will sit. We'll sit here in front of the beach. Woo. Well, I'll be honest, I will go to swim. I will not sit. I didn't come to sit. Very cold. It's very cold. How I will do? I will swim. Very, very, very cold. I will, I will swim now and will come back after a few time. I am going to swim and I will enter for the first time. Well, I enter a little bit, but I will show you how. Oh, it's time to go now. It's the sunset. I would like to stay here, but it's very far, so we are going now. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Well, from this beautiful sunset, I will say Allah Hafiz. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and on the bell to receive all my future videos. Until the next video, I will say Allah Hafiz. Take care.